What if I told you that one vote, just a show of hands in a conference room, wiped $10 billion off a company's value overnight? No war, no fraud, no bankruptcy, just hands. Waystar Royco, media empire, worth billions, controlled by one man, Logan Roy. But here's the thing. Logan doesn't actually own the whole company. He owns stock. And in this video, Succession is going to teach you exactly how the stock market works, what stocks are, why prices move, how billion-dollar deals get made, and how ordinary people, not billionaires, can actually use the same system. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll never watch a boardroom scene the same way again. Imagine Waystar Royco as a pizza. Logan Roy owns most of it, let's say 40 slices. But the rest sold off to the public, piece by piece, on something called a stock exchange. That's what a stock is, a slice of a company. When Waystar has a great quarter, every slice becomes more valuable. When a scandal breaks, every slice loses value. The entire plot of Succession, every family fight, every leaked story, every moment of tension, is ultimately about protecting the value of those slices. Logan Roy isn't just fighting for his family, he's fighting for his stock price. Here's where it gets interesting. Stock prices don't just move because a company is making money. They move because of what people expect a company to do. When it looks like Waystar might face a major investigation, the stock tanks. Not because profits changed, because fear changed. That's the market. It runs on emotion just as much as numbers. Confidence goes up, stock goes up, doubt creeps in, stock goes down. Logan understood this. That's why he spent just as much energy on perception as he did on profit. By season 4, Gojo, a massive tech company, wants to buy Waystar, and this is where the real stock market magic happens. The moment an acquisition rumor leaks, Waystar's stock jumps. Why? Because buyers pay a premium to acquire a company. If your stock is worth $100 today and a buyer offers $140, every shareholder wins. But the Roy kids want to block the deal, keep the company in the family. And here's the catch. In the real world, the shareholders get to vote, not the family, not the CEO, the people who own the stock. That's the real power of owning shares. The company isn't just an asset, it's a vote. You're probably not buying a media empire anytime soon. But here's what Succession teaches without saying it. The companies that win long-term are the ones that grow consistently, not the ones that spike on drama and crash on scandal. Waystar was all drama, all short-term moves. Real investors? They buy slices of companies they believe in and hold. The S&P 500, a basket of the 500 biggest American companies, has averaged around 10% growth every year over the long term. You don't need a boardroom. You don't need Logan Roy's blessing. You just need to start. A stock is a slice of a company. Prices move based on earnings, but also on emotion and expectation. Acquisitions and board votes can shift billions overnight, and ordinary people, they get to own pieces of all of it. Succession made the stock market look like a game only the powerful can play. It isn't. One final thing. This video is purely educational. It is not investment advice or endorsement of any kind. If you found this useful or entertaining, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.